In fact, viewers, we're finally now getting in a response from the Aam Aadmi Party. Manish Sisodia has responded to the allegations of the BJP, and he has in fact hit back at Parvesh Verma, accusing him of resorting to abuse politics. Listen in to Manish Sisodia.
ये बीजेपी के पास कुछ काम धाम तो है नहीं। बीजेपी के पास तो काम धाम तो है नहीं, केवल ये यही करते हैं, लोगों को मारना, पीटना, गाली देना, प्लॉट कब्जाना, गालियां देना। इनके पास कुछ और काम तो है नहीं। ये बीजेपी के पास कुछ काम धाम तो है नहीं। बीजेपी के पास तो काम धाम तो है नहीं, केवल ये यही करते हैं, लोगों को मारना, पीटना, गाली देना, प्लॉट कब्जाना, गालियां देना। इनके पास कुछ और काम तो है नहीं।
Now, Gopi, my colleague, is joining us from the national capital. Gopi, it's an all-out war between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, and we have seen those visuals that have been shared by the BJP of cash being hidden in calendars that are being distributed. Is this a one-off instance, or is this really happening across the New Delhi constituency? Of course, Sisodia has denied that allegation, but what's the truth?
Well, in fact, Kriti, we are just a few days away from the Delhi Assembly polls and the political slugfest is heating up, specifically when you speak of the New Delhi constituency, because there are three prime faces fighting and contesting against each other, which includes Parvesh Verma, Arvind Kejriwal and Sandeep Dixit. Now, this is a triangular contest, basically, which will be happening, and we will be seeing the results on 8th. But yes, BJP ups the ante against Aam Aadmi Party. Well, in fact, as you've correctly pointed out, this is not the only instance. While yesterday 3 arrests have already been made wherein Aam Aadmi Party was sending 500 to 800 rupees in various slum dwellers between their calendars. Just 2 days back, there was another tweet on X which was posted by Parvesh Verma, wherein there were a few voters who were getting calls from the Aam Aadmi Party saying that their name has been removed from the voters list, and that BJP is now, if they come to power, they are going to then not implement all the schemes which are being implemented by the Aam Aadmi Party. So yes, a fierce battle at the New Delhi constituency seat, and yes, there is war of words going on between all three parties, which includes Congress, Aam Aadmi Party and BJP. Back to you, Kriti.
Okay, thank you for joining us, Gopi. For now, viewers, let's move on to some more news in connection to the election in the national capital itself. Now, let's tell you that yesterday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah held a mega rally for the BJP in Delhi's northeast, and he took that opportunity to fire sharp jibes at the Aam Aadmi Party, including those of misgovernance and corruption, particularly over the Delhi liquor policy. Take a look.
Resounding BJP's rhetoric and fight against the Aam Aadmi Party, Union Home Minister Amit Shah held a mega rally at Delhi's Narela. Shah took some heavy jibes at AAP's incompetence in the national capital.
केजरीवाल जी, मैं आज आपको बताने आया हूं, बख्तावरपुर, अलीपुर, नरेला, बांकनेर, होलंबी कला, ये सारे वार्ड आपकी राह देख रहे हैं, भाई राह देख रहे हैं। कब 5 तारीख आए और केजरीवाल जी को पकाए।
Calling Kejriwal the kingpin of corruption, Shah said all that grew under Kejriwal in Delhi was graft, scam and scandal.
ये आम आदमी पार्टी, इसका मतलब है अवैध आमदनी वाली पार्टी का नाम है आम आदमी पार्टी। उन्होंने कहा था हम सरकारी बंगला भी नहीं लेंगे, और भाइयों बहनों, इतना बड़ा 51 करोड़ का शीश महल बनाया, 4 बंगले तोड़कर 1 बंगला बनाने का काम एक केजरीवाल जी ने किया।
Shah also landed a jibe on Kejriwal for worsening the migrant crisis in Delhi. His proposed solution? Make Delhi Rohingya free in 2 years.
मैं आपको वादा कर कर जाता हूं, आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिता दो, 2 साल में ही हम दिल्ली को बांग्लादेशी और रोहिंग्याओं से मुक्त कराने का काम करें।
Shah also said that if Delhi brings the BJP to power, BJP will cleanse Delhi's Yamuna air, land and water.
साबरमती रिवर फ्रंट की तर्ज पर यमुना रिवर फ्रंट का विकास हम करेंगे और केजरीवाल जी को भी मैं निमंत्रण देना चाहता हूं, हमारी सरकार बन जाए उसके 3 साल बाद परिवार के साथ डुबकी लगा देना भैया, यमुना को हम स्वच्छ भी कर देंगे।
With BJP pulling out all its cards, the question remains, will BJP be able to break Kejriwal's 10-year streak in the national capital? Will BJP uproot AAP's Aapada from Delhi this time?